puso is made up of coconut leaves and can be used as commercial product. It is embellished with glitters to make it more alluring and captivating. The costume is a collaborative effort of Fiona and Maya in their great imagination. So we are calling up now our candidates for the first set of special awards. Candidate number 1, please. Number 2 up to number 8. This is now the third set